Today's topic will be on solving mixture applications with a focus on, you guessed it, mixture. So, let's look at it this way. We will solve some more general applications of the mixture model. Grocers and bartenders use this model to set fair prices for a product made from mixing two or more ingredients together. So this is a real-life application that you really kind of should take into consideration. So, let's look at an example. Henning is mixing raisins and nuts to make 10 pounds of trail mix. Raisins cost $2 a pound and nuts cost $6. If Henning wants his cost for trail mix to be $5.20 a pound, how many pounds of raisins and how many pounds of nuts should he use? So we're going to read the problem and make sure it makes sense and see if it's clear what we're looking for. And we're going to create a table noting that the number of pounds of trail mix is 10, the price per pound of raisins is $2, and the price per pound of nuts is 6, and in total he wants it to cost $5.20. We're going to identify what we are looking for, and we are looking for the number of pounds of raisins and nuts. We are going to name what we're looking for by letting x be the number of pounds of raisins and 10 minus x be the number of pounds of nuts. So in this chart here, you can see that we are filling it in with x as the number of pounds of raisins, 10 minus x is the number of pounds of nuts, and the total values for each row, 2x being raisins, the 6 times 10 minus x being the nuts, and the trail mix being 10 times $5.20 for the entire thing. So let's translate this into an equation by stating 2x plus 6 times 10 minus x equals 10 times 5.20. We're going to solve this equation and simplify to get x equals 2 pounds of raisins. So if we want to complete the equation here and find the pounds of nuts, we have to substitute x in. We have to substitute 2 in for x, and we get 10 minus 2 equals 8 pounds of nuts. So we're going to check the answer and multiply the 2 pounds of raisins times the price per pound, which is just $2 a pound, plus the 8 pounds of nuts times the price per pound of nuts, which is $6. And we want to make sure it is equal to the total 10 times 5.20, and we get $52 equals $52. So that is correct. And we are going to answer the question by stating that Henning mixed 2 pounds of raisins with 8 pounds of nuts.